guys, welcome back to the channel. I just took a trip to Maine, southern Maine, and when we were up there, we went to visit my wife's uncle and aunt. When we were there, we stopped by several antique malls, and I got quite fortunate. I was quite fortunate to find, I think I have 10 model kits I brought back with me. Could have brought a lot more, just didn't take a lot of money with me. So you know the deal. This one I'll start with. I have an airplane I'm about to show you, and if I'd have started with the airplane, you guys have probably turned it right off. So I'd start with this, and then I'll show you the airplane next. I don't do many airplanes, but I did this one anyway. So I was at an antique mall, and this was in. Now this thing looks horrendous, like it was in somebody's window for a long time with direct sunlight. MPC Chrysler LeBaron 32 Imperial convertible sedan, kit number 1-3153, 1979. Well, I saw this in one of the glass cases. You know, you'll go into antique malls and there'll be glass cases, right? You think, oh shoot, if it's in the glass case, it's too expensive. I looked and I saw, it's like, is that $2? I said, it's got to be an empty box. So I got the person that worked there to come over. They opened it up. I said, it's got to be an empty box or it's built already. And they're like, I ain't got a clue. I said, that is $2, right? They're like, yeah, that's $2. Or yeah, that's $2. I don't know. How does the people in Maine talk? They don't talk like me, okay? So I'm trying to impersonate a person that doesn't talk like me. I can't even do it. But anyway, nevertheless, they opened it up and I said, dang, I opened this kit. And I said, you know what? I think it's all there. And something fell out right there. Even got a big hair wad. Look at there. That's nice. Put that in the trash. But yeah, I think it's all here. It has like been started. The engine had been started, but that's like, I don't care. I looked it over and I'm like, I think it's all here. There's some bagged parts. The tires are in a bag. So anyway, for $2, they got decals that you can't see really. Pinstripe decals. But for $2. Now this kit, like I said, is from '79. But what it started life as was the Gangbusters Chrysler LeBaron. That's what it was. It was it's been repopped a bunch of times by MPC, and in 2020, I believe, Round 2 even redid it as a Gangbusters. So you can find this kit in quite a few different box arts, same kit, but you ain't gonna find it for $2. I can promise you that. So I snagged it, and yeah, it was cool. So all right. 32 Chrysler LeBaron, and I built the 27 Lincoln, I think it was, that I got from George Woods. That's the Gangbusters car. So cool car. All right, next, please don't leave, just let me get through this. I found this at the same antique mall as I did that Chrysler, and you know, I love airplanes. Absolutely, I'm an airplane enthusiast. I just don't like to build them as models. This is a 172 monogram Albatross HU-16E. This is from 1975, and they wanted like $14.95. And I thought, you know what, that's cool. It's the Coast Guard edition. It's got still got the decals, but it's all here, and it's really neat. Albatross, so it's a water plane, and I just wanted to get it. You ever see something, sometimes it's outside of your wheelhouse, but you're just like, that'd be cool to have. So I got this. The box was damaged, but it's not at all any damage to the kit. So there you go. Check it out, guys. I got an airplane. I got a few airplanes, but I don't buy them very often. All right, we got through that. Stick with me. I went to a outdoor flea market, and let's see if I can find. I got this at the outdoor flea market. Warren Johnson GM Performance Parts Oldsmobile. This is from 1994, and I gave the guy $16 for it. It's still sealed. Box is kind of smushed and all, but I guarantee there's no damage to anything. But anyway, I've seen Warren Johnson before in person. Went and seen him at the drag strip and all those things. Pretty cool. I always liked the Oldsmobile square body kind of car when it was back in the Pro Stock days, because it seemed like it had a disadvantage to the sleek sloped nose of the Firebirds and Camaros and all that, and I just liked, I don't know, you're basically racing what, a family car? Well, a two-door family car, but anyway. Warren Johnson Gin Performance Parts Oldsmobile by Ruthies. Hopefully the decals are good. Also at that same outdoor flea market, I found this. I've been wanting one of these. $16 for this one. Now these are good prices here. 16. What did I say I paid for that one? 14. No, both of these are $16. So the fat fendered 37 Ford Street Rod. Now this is the same as the Willow Green monogram. Monogram. I'm trying to think. 37 that I built. The one that I took to JacksCon. Pretty sure this is the exact same kit. It's just a different. It's the Fat Fender series. But yeah, this is the same kit as far as I know. And I've been wanting one just to box. I like the box art, and it's a great kit. I've also got another one in the newer packaging. But this year is like 90 or 91, I believe. 87. 1987, still factory sealed. Also at that outdoor flea market, I got this. Cool, right? The Heavy Chevy Chevelle 3-in-1 by Monogram. $12 for this one because it was open, but the thing is complete. Everything's there. When I saw this guy's table, I was like, yes! It was a lot. I didn't buy everything that I wanted, but I did buy a few. And I've seen this kit forever, and 1991, and I wanted to get this Heavy Chevy Chevelle monogram. It's a 124 scale too. So is the 37. Alrighty. Where did I get this one from? Next door to the outdoor flea market is and it was, what's the town called? I don't know. They're like Indian names up there, so I can't remember them. Arundel. That's where it was at. Arundel, Maine had the outdoor flea market, and it had an indoor antique mall right next to it. And I saw this, and along with about 20 other model kits, but I wanted this one out of them all. Hot Rod Edition 56 Ford pickup, and I think it's 125th scale by Ruthies. This is the one with the doors open. Probably a terrible kit, but I didn't have this one, and it's factory sealed. This is like 1994, but this is a repop. This same kit I've got over there on the shelf. They did a Hot Rod Edition. I think it's Street Demons. Street Demons. They did Street Demons of it, and it is I think it's the same kit. It's got opening doors and all that stuff, but the Street Demons edition of this is much older, mid to late 80s. So this one I got for $22, which is fair, very fair. I didn't have a problem at all paying that, and I thought it was a cool kit, so I got that one. All right. As we were making our way to Maine, we went in the lower regions of Vermont, and we drove by a house on a road. I wanted to take the back roads, and as we drove by, they had a garage sale, and I caught out of the corner of my eye some model kits in their garage, and we turned around, and I went up there, and he had several of the like the Ford Bronco and the Bass boat, and then there was one like a Blazer and another kind of boat. Those kits, he had them, but he knew what he had, so he had them priced up pretty pricey. He had this one for $25. Now I've got 3 of these already. This will make number 4, but this is an absolutely great kit, and you can't, I mean, if you ever want to build a nice drag car, get yourself a Russ Davis or a Tasca Ford Thunderbolt. These are just great. Revell did a great job with these. It's the Hot Rod Edition, obviously 125th scale, and I've built this one on my channel. I want to build it again and do a better job, so that's in the books to do, is another one of these. But anyway, found this at a yard sale. or garage sale rather. It was literally a garage sale. All right, got 3 more, and they're cool. Childhood memories, right there. I built this kit as a kid. This is like 1985. This was at that outdoor flea market as well. Got this for $12. It's all, I think all the parts are there. I did see a few things that had been started on and a few things that had been cut on, and I don't know why they cut on them, but anyway, it's that ZZ Top 124 scale eliminator. And I bet a bunch of you guys back in the 80s built this kit. What I did notice is the wheels and tires, I do believe, are the same as the 1940 Ford monogram kit that I built, the one with the opening and closing doors. I was looking, and I think the wheels and tires, the rims and the tires, they're not called rims, whatever, the shiny things and the black things are the same for that truck kit as they are in this kit, if I am not mistaken. But that's interesting. But yeah, wanted to get me one of these just to put on the shelf, because I remember getting this one as a kid and building it. How cool was that? Also at the outdoor flea market, I got myself a paddy wagon show car, or show rod, as Kim over at Kim's Custom Garage says, show rods. But this one looks like a rat or something might have chewed the corner of the box. That's okay. Don't really care at all if a rat chewed it or not. I got it for 14 bucks. I remember this one as a kid too. This is from 1986, copyright date on the box, and it's just too cool. And it's just brand new. It's all there. Let's see if I can get the top off of it. Yeah, all in the package. All the gold, the wheels, the decals. It's all right there. Looks like someone just took the cellophane off of it and put it on a shelf somewhere. Then that is okay with me. So I got that for 14 bucks. Arundel, Maine. What if I hadn't gone to Maine? These guys would have just been just sitting there. And last but not least of this haul is this. We went to an antique mall, and I did see a few kits there, none that I would even entertain getting. And right when we were about to check out, Heather had grabbed a few things. The girls had bought a few things, or were buying a few things. And this caught my eye. It was over on a shelf, and I'm like, holy moly, look at there, a pyro kit. There was a couple of other kits too. There was another pyro. It was in a larger box, but it was in really bad shape. This one is like practically like new, the box is. This is from 1963, 48 Lincoln Continental. Now what's interesting about this kit is Douglas Model Garage Videos. If you'll go check out his video, he just had this kit, this pyro kit, evolved into a Lindbergh kit. So this is from 63. Lindbergh apparently acquired the pyro molds, and it continued to put this kit out up until, well, he shows the differences in the two kits. He's got an older Lindbergh and a newer Lindbergh, and they're both exactly the same multi-piece body pyro. I mean, it's a pyro kit. So if you have never had a pyro kit, if you can find that 48 Lincoln Continental in the Lindbergh, well, it's the same exact kit. So go grab yourself one of those. I just saw this one. I think I paid like, well, it's on the back here, a little too much, maybe $26. I don't know. I don't think it's too much, but I thought it was in great shape. I'll do a box opening on this one, and we'll check it out. But pyro kits, never built one. I'm starting to get a few, but I just saw it and I thought it was a cool kit. So anyway, guys, that's this haul, and I appreciate you guys taking your time to watch this video, because it does take your time to watch it. But I appreciate all my supporters, all of you guys who have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, please go hit that subscription button right down there. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would help me tremendously. Let me know which of these kits you have. Are these childhood memories to you like they are me? The Heavy Chevy, I remember seeing that one too. I think that's definitely a reissue. I think the Heavy Chevy been out a little longer, or it may not be heavy Chevy, but that kit has been out quite some time. But anyway, this paddy wagon and this ZZ Top Eliminator, definitely ones that I remember as a child. I can't remember if I ever built the paddy wagon, but I remember it was, I don't remember seeing it in a store particularly, but I remember the kit from my childhood, so it's really cool. I don't know who, is this a Tom Daniels or a Ed Roth or somebody like, who designed this one? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comment section below, because I don't know. And yeah, that awesome Thunderbolt, this 56 Ford, which is probably an absolute nightmare to build, the 37 Ford, the Warren Johnson Pro Stock, and the heavy Chevy, and don't forget the Pyro. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Hey, go check out Hobby Nut Models. Support Mark, small business. Guys, let's put our money toward a small business. Let's help the little man and conquer these big giants that shut everybody down. So Mark is a great guy, helps me tremendously, and I want to be a supporter of his and a promoter of his. So go check out hobbynutmodels.com. It's linked in the description of this video. You can grab yourself a kit. You never know what you're going to find on Mark's model kit inventory. He is continually coming across older kits. He has new kits, he has old kits, paint, supplies, anything you need. Go check out hobbynutmodels.com. The Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. Also, these things are all linked in the description below. Go check it out. Go join. Let me know. Show me the pictures of your builds. Communicate on there with all the people that are on there. And we just have an absolute blast. So go check out Model Car Videos Facebook group. Thank you to all you guys who buy t-shirts, coffee mugs, and stickers on the Spring Store. I really appreciate it. Appreciate your support there. And the Patreon members, guys, you don't know how much I appreciate you. If you're not a Patreon member, I encourage you to go check it out. It's also linked in the description below, and you can become a supporter of mine, which helps this channel to continue to move along, and we can, on a somewhat of a monthly basis, have a Hollywood Squares type of live stream where we're all on the screen and we're all talking and we're all interacting, and I try to have a special guest. So you guys, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching the video, and we will see you all on the next one. So take care. Bye.